Videly Pro review: is it worth the hype? Imagine a tool designed to simplify video SEO, helping your content rank higher and reach the audience it deserves. If you've been struggling to get visibility despite creating great content, Videly Pro might just be the solution you need. Let's explore whether it truly delivers on its promises. For most video creators, SEO is a common roadblock. No matter how engaging your videos are, they can get lost in a sea of millions of uploads without proper optimization. Videly Pro claims to tackle this challenge by automating essential SEO tasks like keyword research, metadata generation, and competitor analysis. But does it live up to the expectations? What sets Videly Pro apart is its focus on simplicity. It offers a user-friendly interface that even beginners can navigate with ease. With just a few clicks, you can uncover high traffic, low competition keywords, an essential factor for gaining visibility. This is especially valuable for creators targeting competitive niches or smaller audiences. Additionally, Videly Pro generates optimized metadata, including titles, descriptions, and tags, giving your videos the best possible chance of ranking. One of the most impressive features is its ability to identify untapped keyword opportunities. Videly Pro shows you which phrases are being searched but aren't oversaturated with competition. This allows you to target a more specific audience while increasing your chances of ranking. The platform also analyzes competitors' strategies, providing insights that can help you refine your own content approach. Another strong point is how Videly Pro streamlines the entire optimization process. Instead of spending hours researching and crafting metadata, you can let the tool handle it for you. This not only saves time, but ensures your videos are SEO optimized from the start. By automating these tedious tasks, Videly Pro lets you focus on what you do best: creating engaging content. That said, it's important to manage expectations. Videly Pro isn't a one-size-fits-all solution or a shortcut to overnight success. While it simplifies SEO, your videos still need to offer value and connect with your audience. The tool is most effective when paired with high-quality, consistent content. Also, advanced users who prefer more customization might find Videly Pro somewhat limited. Even so, for most creators, its benefits far outweigh these minor drawbacks. In summary, Videly Pro offers a practical and efficient way to handle video SEO. It's ideal for creators looking to improve their rankings without spending excessive time on optimization. Whether you're new to video marketing or a seasoned creator, this tool can help simplify your workflow and enhance your visibility. Curious to try it? Check out the links below to see how Videly Pro can support your video marketing journey. Take the first step toward better rankings and a larger audience today.